Today I'm doing a review on this retractable gate. This retractable gate was gifted to me in exchange for my review. Let's open up this box and get it on the wall and see how it looks. You can use it at the top of the stairs, in a doorway, anywhere that you're trying to keep either kids or dogs out. This would be a great gate to use. It is one-handed that you can use it, so if you are carrying babies or carrying things around and you only have one hand available, you will be able to easily open this. It also came with the hardware to attach it to the wall. This gate is retractable. It also stands about 35 inches from the floor up. Now it's great to have this up for animals or children. If you have stairs or somewhere you're wanting to keep off limits, this would be a great gate. It is a little bit longer. Let's get it up. Now it was easier for us to pull the gate out of the way as we were putting the last screw in. This retractable gate does stand about 35 inches in height. The width on this one is about 51 inches. This retractable indoor gate is so nice. It is anti-rust, anti-climb. There is a locked position that you can place it so it locks after you have it. And what you do is you just throw it right to there and it's in the lock position. It has a smart space saving because it is retractable. And you would just pull it off like that. And it goes right here and it sits very, very nicely on the wall. I believe that this gate is going to be very durable and long-lasting. All in all, I think it's a great gate and I suggest it.